Good day everyone, my name is Sir Christian Glomar Coronado, and before we proceed, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. So for today, we'll be talking about the solar system. So in our galaxy, in the Milky Way here in the universe, we are located around the middle of the galaxy, and the solar system is our home. So let's talk about the solar system, ladies and gentlemen. So here in the solar system, a system would not be complete without a sun. So let's talk about the sun, everyone. So as we all know, whenever we wake up, we see the sun in the heavens every morning, and it sets on the afternoon. So what do we know about the sun? So the sun, ladies and gentlemen, is 100 times bigger than the earth. It reaches unfathomably hot temperatures and makes sunscreen a really good idea. Take a breathtaking journey to the Earth's closest star, the Sun. So as we all know, the Sun is the closest star from Earth and is the star that brings light and life to our planet. Now let's talk about the first planet after the Sun. So here, as we can see, is the planet Mercury. Okay, so what do we know about Mercury? Well, Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbital period around the Sun of 87.97 days is the shortest of all planets in the solar system. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of the gods. So, as you can see here, a year in Mercury would be only around 87.97 days. So that's around 3 months only. So that's the shortest year in all the planets that we have. And it is named after the Roman deity Mercury. So Mercury, or in Greek, Hermes, is the messenger of the gods and also the god of the thieves and god of the vagabonds. Now let's go and proceed to the next planet, ladies and gentlemen. The next planet is Venus. So Venus, just a disclaimer for everyone, just a quick trivia. Whenever we look at the night sky and we see a very bright light, that is not actually the star. Usually, that is the planet Venus. So Venus is the second planet from the Sun, orbiting it every 224.7 Earth days. So that's around, I think, 1/3 of a year here on Earth. And it has the longest rotation period of any planet, and it does not have any natural satellite. So what do we mean by natural satellite? Like moons, okay? So it does not have any natural satellite, and it is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, who is Venus, and in Greek is Aphrodite. Now let's go to the next one, a very familiar planet that we all know, even since we're kids. The planet where we live, the planet in the Goldilocks region, the planet Earth, ladies and gentlemen. So what do we know about our own planet? So we call it the blue planet. Blue not because of methane gas or anything, but blue because of water, which is a source of life. So Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. Earth was formed over 4.5 billion years ago, and the Earth's only natural satellite is the Moon. So the Moon is the only natural satellite that we have. Though we have plenty of satellites, those are man-made. And again, this is the only planet known that ever harbors life. Now let's go to the next one. The next one that we believe, or scientists believe, could be the next Earth, or has been in Earth before Earth was even a livable planet. That is the planet Mars. So what do we know about the planet Mars? The planet Mars, as we can see here, is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. So it is believed that Mars could be our next home after Earth, or it has been a home for living creatures before, since they discovered some polar ice caps in the northern and southern region of the planet Mars. Now, after Mars, we have the largest planet that we all know. Okay? And it is named after one of the most powerful deities in the Roman pantheon. But before we proceed to Jupiter, Mars is the god of war in the Roman mythology. Now let's go with the father of all, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is a giant planet with a mass of 1,000th that of a sun, but 2.5 times that of all other planets in the solar system combined. So it is when we talk about its weight or its mass, it's a least massive planet. But when you talk about the size, it is very big. Why? Because it's comprised of gases. That's why it's too big. It's because of gases. And of course, it's mentioned here. And Jupiter, as I said a while ago, is named after the Roman god of gods, or in the Greek mythology, it is Zeus. Now let's go to the next planet, the ring planet, as they say, the planet Saturn. So let's talk about Saturn. What do we know about Saturn? You know, whenever we talk about Saturn, it's like it has beautiful rings, those ice rings, and of course the asteroid rings. But let's see, what do we have to say about Saturn? So Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest in the solar system. It is a gas planet, so it's comprised of gas giant with an average radius about 9 times that of Earth. It has only 1/8 of the average density of Earth. So it's the least dense planet in the whole solar system. Now, let's go to the next planet, named after another god, which is the god of the sea. Okay, another god. Okay, let's go about the next planet, Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, and it has the 3rd largest planetary radius and 4th largest planetary. Uranus is similar in composite to Neptune, and both have a bulk chemical composition. So, as you can see, it has a blue color. It's because of the gases and chemicals around it. And the next planet will be much similar to Uranus, which is also a blue planet, but it is a much darker blue. And the name of the planet is Neptune. And that planet is also named after the Greek god of the sea, Roman god of the sea, I'm sorry, and the Greek equivalent is Poseidon. Okay? Okay. The planet Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. In the solar system, it is the 4th largest planet by diameter and 3rd most massive planet and the densest giant planet. So it is more denser than Jupiter and Saturn and Uranus, ladies and gentlemen. But this planet, as I've said a while ago, was named after the Roman god of the sea, who is Neptune, and the Greek equivalent would be Poseidon. Why? Because of the color blue there, that is because of the gases. Now, it is not included here, but the last planet, which is now considered as a dwarf planet, is the planet Pluto, another small planet, and its orbit, the only curious thing about it is the orbit of Pluto is elliptical. So it means that it's a bit like slanted than the other orbits. However, that is still considered as a planet, but just a dwarf planet or a minor planet. So, ladies and gentlemen, that ends our class for today about the solar system. Have a great day and God bless us all.